YouTubers, this is Hayden Todd, Nose Cup Sacker 2003, and today, there's something different for you today. I'm reacting to a different YouTube channel. It's called Kid Steals Van to Go Buy a Fidget Spinner at Toys R Us Skit. And this video is by Shiitake Mushrooms. Hope you check out Shiitake Mushrooms and like all their videos. And this is a different. I'm not reacting to Violet First videos, and this is different than Violet First. And well, let's get to the reaction. On YouTube! This dude's
how many times I told you, when you're done eating the cereal, go put it in the freaking sink! God, you've been home 12 hours, and already you're getting on my nerves.
Oh yeah.
Toys? What kind of toys did you get?
I'll show you. So
This is better than Violet First, guys. This is better.
Oh yeah. Is that from the new movie?
Oh yeah. Well, I've seen Cars 3. Hope you've seen it.
Can I see?
Oh yeah, Miss Fritter!
She was pretty heavy.
Oh no, Miss Fritter!
She's like she used to be a school bus.
She was a good in Cars 3.
She's like a mean looking school bus.
See all the license plates?
Oh yeah.
Those are all the people that she destroyed.
Well, she killed people?
No, she destroyed them.
It's Cars!
Stop.
Yeah, but in the movie it's supposed to tilt and then
It cuts. Yeah.
Oh, that's sharp.
And here's lightning.
Wait. See the horns? And you should shoot fire out.
Like a bull.
Here's Lightning McQueen.
Lightning McQueen, yeah, I love
This
Owen Wilson.
Looks like.
No, because they changed it up a little.
Oh, they did?
Yeah. And see that's the spoiler. Daddy
Oh, whoa.
at McDonald's and when they're gonna go.
Oh, so that's not a Disneyland toy.
Yeah. But look, it's Despicable Me.
Whoa.
That's the
It's from the
one.
new movie, huh? Despicable Me. Despicable.
Despicable Me.
I can't talk today.
I wonder why.
Despicable Me 3 is what I was trying to say.
Yeah.
Okay.
They made a lot of them Despicable Me movies. I never want to see them.
Oh, you had one of those when you were like a baby.
Oh yeah, Buzz Lightyear.
No, not this hand.
His hand is broken. What happened? Did you break it already?
No, it wasn't attached that good. And the hand.
I just have circuits.
Here, I can rebuild it. I rebuilt it. But the laser, the wires broke off. It's not strong.
Well, it's a whip-off. You bought a toy at Disneyland, and it's already broken.
A little bit. Oh look, at least the lights aren't.
Oh yeah, 1995, Toy Story. Oh, sorry guys.
It doesn't sound like a Star Wars plot at all.
Laser! I will use it.
He does not have a laser. His arm fell off. You do not have a laser. Don't act all tough. You don't have a laser.
What?
He's suffocating. Close his... There you go.
Spaceman Seven. Suck for their circuits.
That one.
Whoa. Okay, what other toys do you have?
This is funny.
I think this will last.
Oh, and then he also went to Legoland. Whoa,
Oh, yeah.
A bunch of Legos?
I did not know that.
Well, I got 2 sets of them. So you know that, Miss Fritter?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, another one? But this one's a Lego one.
Oh, darn it. These horns came off again.
Oh, you actually made a Miss Fritter.
Alright, so what was her name again?
Miss Fritter, I need a...
Okay.
There's
So
one
here's a
more.
Lego version of her.
I need another one. These things
On,
don't.
Oh.
These things don't.
what she looks like. Lego version.
That's actually pretty nice. Oh,
Okay.
that's pretty nice.
All these pieces
So what we'll put her next to the other one?
To the real Miss Fritter.
And this is a Lightning McQueen. Demolition Derby McQueen.
Oh, whoa. And here's a Lego version. Whoa, look how dirty he is.
It's because he's demolition dirt.
Oh, sorry. You was he was dirty in the movie.
He's literally covered in mud.
This is my first reaction to shiitake
Leon
mushrooms.
really got spoiled.
This is
at
my first.
Disneyland.
This is my first reaction to them.
These are all his toys.
And these are like very long time ago.
Still has a bunch of pieces.
My wheel! Oh well.
So yeah, that's a lot of stuff Leland
This
got.
came from. This is like a long time ago video.
This isn't enough.
What? What do you mean this isn't enough?
I
That's a whole bunch of toys right there.
want to go to the Toys R Us to get the fidget spinner.
Are you kidding me? No.
Oh,
There's no way
no.
you're going to Toys R Us. Your grandparents must have spent hundreds of dollars on all these toys for you when they took you to Southern California.
There's one in Orlando.
That's a lot of stuff they bought you. You
The
don't need any
closest
more toys.
one that they can go to is California.
So
There's
you
like
know,
two
I told
Disney
you
Worlds,
to
one in
put the cereal-
California and one
He
in
doesn't
Orlando,
listen.
Florida.
It's still there.
Oh yeah, I
Just
think
more
Carol's
about
been.
the- Who just started Leland?
Oh no!
What are you
Oh
doing?
no!
What are you doing? Get out of the van!
Oh no!
No, you're not. Get
Oh no!
Get out of the van!
We'll open up the garage.
I mean it. Get out. No. Turn
Oh
around.
my
Get out of the
God.
van. Oh.
Oh.
What do you want, Carol? Whoa, no, hey!
Carol wasn't driving?
No, hey! Leland!
Oh
Get
no!
out of the van. Leland! Stop the van, Leland. Leland, I mean it. Stop the van.
You got it. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no, you ain't gonna catch him. Oh yeah, you gotta go running. You gotta go running. Uh-oh. Put your seatbelt on.
Believe this.
Uh-oh. Now you're gonna start backing up? Yeah, that's a good idea. Go after him. Alright, yeah, that's a good idea. Go actually.
There he goes.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh dang, is he in the wrong lane?
Well, he knows how to use the turn blinker.
Ain't that cool? Ain't that pretty cool? Oh no. Oh my god, his driving, my gosh. He's like
I
8.
can't freaking believe this right now. Leland stole the minivan. He stole the
He's
minivan.
like 8
and,
like 8 in this
you know,
video.
we're on hot pursuit right now. He's right there in front
He's
of us.
like 8 or 9 years old in this
Stop.
video. In
He
this
is
in this
headed
video.
towards Toys R Us to get a freaking fidget spinner. He stole a freaking minivan for a freaking fidget spinner.
I don't know where it is. Oh, I know it's really hard to get around Salt Lake City, to be honest.
Oh, such a lovely view up here. But that's not the point.
Where's prison?
Leland needs to freaking pull over right now.
Well, honking the horn ain't gonna help. Oh wow, he knows. I'm sure that he knows he knew how to get there. How on earth? How on earth? I wouldn't spend a lot of money just for a fidget spinner. I'm like, really? I'll probably be done with college by then.
Alright. Yep, he's turning into Toys R Us.
Dang. Mattress deals.
I'm amazed he even knew where to go.
I know, that is pretty good. It is. So you didn't hit another car. Hmm. Oh yeah, I remember that. In one video, it closed down. In one video. You have.
Turn it off right now. What the heck were you doing?
You gotta be kidding
What the
me.
heck were you doing? I cannot believe you. What?
Remember how I told you all that?
It's actually kind of funny.
I don't care if you want a fidget spinner. You are never, ever, ever to take the family van and drive to Toys R Us. Mommy would yell at you too, so you would just get off the phone.
Oh, Carol, you were with them? Oh, never saw that.
Hey,
I never saw
you
that.
guys need to. Where
Carol?
you going?
Oh, he's gonna go. Oh, he's gonna try to go in. Oh no, that ain't gonna
No,
happen.
you're not getting a fidget spinner. You're not going inside. Get back in the van right now.
No.
You're not going inside.
No.
Leland, listen to me. You drove the van. You're only 8 years old.
Oh yeah. Oh, he's only 8 in this video? Huh.
You are in so much trouble. I cannot believe you did that.
Oh no, you can't be. He's not even like. I don't think he's 16 now.
This is the worst thing ever.
His birthday's like in December.
Yes, this is the worst thing ever. No.
You're like 8. You're actually 8 years old in this video. You gotta be kidding me. That's actually a good one.
Leland, no, we're not going inside.
Oh, you already did.
Leland, we're not going inside.
Yes, we are. I think that's what he's saying in his mind.
No, you're not getting it. No, you're not getting it. Come on, we're going.
I don't really. I used to, when I was younger, I actually went to Toys R Us when I was younger. I actually did one time, but I don't now.
I don't know, I don't care. Holy cow, look at all this Cars 3.
Oh yeah.
Cars 3.
Yeah, Jackson Storm.
You're not getting any of it.
What was that? I don't know what that was. I don't know what that
Okay,
was.
I do admit this is really cool. But
Yeah.
you're not getting any of it.
Oh, there's,
There's a
oh.
whole display here.
That's a big
No,
display.
no. You're not getting anything. Come on.
That is very nice.
Mommy's waiting for us in the van, and Mommy's driving the van home. And you're gonna sit in the back seat.
Oh.
No, you're not getting a fidget spinner, Leland. Holy cow, look at all these. You already have these. Look at this kind.
Ooh, I've never seen
These are
that.
cool looking, huh? I admit these are cool, but no.
I want a red fish.
No, you're not gonna get a fidget spinner. You don't deserve a fidget spinner. You stole the family van to drive here, and I had to chase you down in my vehicle.
Who should be driving your vehicle home? Do you have to call a tow truck service?
Upset at you? You don't care, do you? You need to care.
Oh.
You're not gonna get a... No,
Flip
you're not gonna do
spinner.
that.
Flip
I
spinner.
don't like the 3 a.m. thing.
Never spin free two red fidget spinners at 3 a.m.
I did not realize he's like 8 in he's 8 in this video. I did not realize that.
Look at that. They got...
Hey, that's the one that Dayton lost at my class. Hey!
Yeah. Hey, that's the one you got.
No.
Oh, I don't know.
Looks a lot like that.
I used to when I was like younger. Actually, in my opinion, guys, I actually liked going to Toys R Us. I liked it.
I'm telling you, you're not
I liked it.
getting anything. You stole the minivan.
Lee, he'll
You're
probably
not
pay
getting
for it.
any Cars.
He's the dad.
Stop it.
He's always the one filming.
You're not getting anything.
He's the one filming all the time. To do these videos. You never kidding me? He's gonna pay for this? He's gonna pay for it?
So that's the kind you're gonna get, Leland? Can't believe I'm giving in to you like this. I can't believe I'm letting you buy a fidget spinner. And you already have... Oh, that's the one that got thrown away. I think that's the one Leanna threw away.
I don't know about that.
Well, what do you got there, Leland? Yeah, what is that?
Oh, Iron Man, an Iron Man.
It spins?
Yeah, that was.
I think a fan.
Oh, you get to do something with other kids. That's kind of fun.
Alright, go get your butt in the van.
Ow, on my back.
Oh, sorry. See, Mommy's over there waiting.
I also got
Oh, yeah, that was a
Alright,
bad
so
idea.
you guys might notice my white cars next to the van. And the reason for that is that, okay, these videos are skits. So before you guys start freaking out, oh my God, you let an 8-year-old drive a minivan? No, my wife was driving the minivan the whole time, and I'm going to put a disclaimer in the description,
Oh, yeah.
as well as the video, so people don't start freaking out. We do these for skits, and we were just having fun, right, Leland? Yeah.
Well, that was actually my first reaction to shiitake mushrooms, and make sure you go subscribe to them and subscribe to me and for more content. And I'm Hayden Todd, No Scope Cycle 2003 signing out, and I might do another reaction to this. And I'll just need to pick a good video. All right, catch you later. Catch you later, everybody.